Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do basket walking turns. Really important you know how to do a basket already. I'll put a link to the video for the basket in the description below, so it's really easy and quick for you to find it in case you need to go and have a quick look. Strangely, this is called basket walking turns, but actually the direction the lady is turning is a return direction. Okay, so it should really have been called basket walking returns, but anyway, the move can be any length. We're going to keep it relatively short because of the frame size, but it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8, back, in, twist, walk, return, walk, return, walk, stop, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. So let's break it down. We'll do it from here. Looks like a standard basket to start with. So we go wrap and twist out. Everybody steps back, so we're all weighted the same. We start walking forwards together. So we're walking. We use the left hand through the middle and around the lady at the back to lead her in a return. The right hand drags and recollects the lady's hand, and we do another count of walking. We're going to do a second turn, technically another return. So again, we do the same thing through the middle, over the top, recollect, and then we're going to go walk, and then stop, and then finish the basket off as normal. Twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. Traveling returns and all the other options, of course, will be there as usual. So let's do it again and think numbers. So we go back 1, wrap 2, twist 3, walk 4, return 5, walk 6, return 7, walk 8, stop 1, and then it's just twist 2, twist 3, turn 4, face 5, return 6, and back 7. So let's try it together. Here we go, nice and slow. 5, 6, basket walking turns. We go a back, wrap, back, walk, return, walk, return, walk, stop, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back, and you are there. Hope you find that one good fun out on the dance floor. And again, it's easier if you've got a bit more space because you can walk a bit longer between the returns, so you've got more time to kind of think and get used to what's about to happen. Okay, do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. Notifications, if you've got them turned on, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.